Welcome to the Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi.
I'm Lauri.
I'm Hanna.
And this is our 300-ton press. And a couple months ago we tried to make an espresso coffee using this press and it didn't go as planned. So I bought this.
Well, I am not going to drink any low pressure espresso like some filthy peasant.
No worries, I have solution. I was just kidding, we don't need this shit anymore. This is the new solution for all of your coffee problems. It's a hydraulic press espresso maker 10 million. And last time I had made all the parts except we used espresso handle like this. And from Amazon. And it couldn't handle the pressure, so that was the weak point of the coffee maker. Thanks, Jeff. But this time everything is changed. No more weak handles. We have this solid ass piece of steel there with 18 M12 bolts. It's going to take an absolute shit ton of force to make this leak. And I'm confident that today we are going to make the best espresso in the world because we are going to use the highest pressure ever and that makes coffee good.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want a high pressure coffee and I think that's our goal today. Maximum pressure. I think we don't care about the speed. We already reached that on the last coffee video. That was fast enough. And today we are going to really dive in on like art of like fine quality coffee making. So we are not in a hurry. And that's good because this is going to be a pain in the ass to use.
And clean.
And clean. I don't think about cleaning. I just think about crushing. So we don't use anymore the like twist on handle. We have this with these bolts, so like just bolting this down is going to take a good couple of minutes. And as you see, there is no hole for the coffee to come out. And that's going to be our biggest challenge today, is to limit the flow rate of the coffee and separate the water and the like grounded coffee beans. And we are going to limit the flow rate with 1 millimeter hole. And you have probably seen how stuff moves through 1 millimeter hole.
At least we have.
With hydraulic press it can come out quite fast. And there is going to be two problems if we reach like Mach 2 coffee. First problem is that it's again too fast. We want to like give a bit more time for the process. And the second problem is that it's going to like do a water jet challenge on the cup and everything on the kitchen. So my greatest plan so far how to achieve all this is to use these. It's like the steel mesh that these handles have, like this. And we are going to, if I just put this, then it's going to just flow in the middle from couple holes. So we are going to layer these. Like one that, couple papers, one that, couple papers. So then we have really much of resistance for the flow. And I think this isn't going to go through 1 millimeter hole like it's steel parts and the paper. If we put just paper there, it's just going to go through the paper like it's not even there. So it's going to be a challenge, but I think we are ready for it.
Yeah, I think we really need time for taste also to come to the coffee.
Yeah, we wanna reach higher than, slightly better than on the gas station.
Yeah,
That's
our goal today.
Yeah, so now we are going to move to the challenging task of drilling a 1 millimeter hole. That's not easy. I think we first going to drill like maybe 2 millimeters, like until it's almost completely through, and then we are going to switch to 1 millimeter and drill the whole the way through. And now it's probably drilled, or I have run out of 1 millimeter drills because they all snapped. Let's hope that we have the 1 millimeter hole. Okay, now we are ready to load this up, and this is already taken so far that I have already drink 1 cup of coffee and make it with this. But yeah, my plan is to shove one of these in small pieces here because it's like pyramid shaped bit there. So it's like, I think we have to fill it slightly also to get like yeah, I think this like, yeah, this looks really good. This looks really good. That goes there. Okay, let's put couple of these Pro papers on top of that lousy paper, like this. Yeah, everything is, by the way, totally food grade on this project. That's now there, and then I'm pretty sure that it's not going to leak through the sides because there is so much force pushing this down that it's quite hard to do that. Then just a couple more of these. This is also good for your cholesterol to use filter paper. So this is not only best coffee, it's also the most healthiest one ever. Yeah, and now we are ready to add the coffee beans. And we have peasant model of the grinder. Doesn't fit our Pro. And this is on the setting where Good Life Coffee Roasters Lauri left this. I haven't touched the settings. So this is almost like Coffee Lauri's like made coffee. So if it's bad, it's not my fault. It's the settings on the machine. Yeah? No, a bit more. Also, the coffee puck needs to be really dense to be able to take the pressure. Yeah, there is now, like, from this machine, 4 cups of worth of the coffee. So I think we are done. And I think like coffee is one of those things that the more involved you are on the process, the better it takes. It's a bit like sports car. If you have like manual gears, it's more involving and therefore better experience. Okay, I admit that this is not optimal design. You look like archaeology.
Archaeology.
Dinosaur finder, that's the word. This is really heavy and awkward. Yes. Yeah, it's been only 15 minutes loading up the coffee maker. Yeah, I was about to say that if your partner sleeps later than you, she is not sleeping after you load up the coffee maker. But it's a really nice to wake up on smell of like fresh coffee, and now they can wake up on sound of fresh coffee. In perfect world, you should go through these with the torque wrench, but we are too busy for that. And now we just heat this up, load the butter, and extrude the coffee. Yes, we are finally ready. Coffee maker is relatively warm. Add some water. I don't want to add too much. And now we are going to crush it. I have 24 tons. That's going to result 300 bars. Hey!
Yeah.
I think that's good. I think that's good. We had even the like foam. Holy shit, that's good. Because the
doesn't look bad. Are there any?
Hey. This is much better than the last time.
Okay, crumbs.
But not much, not much.
Okay. Yeah, it tastes coffee. It's more like tasty.
Yeah, the taste is stronger. I think let's see what happens if I switch on the second pump also. Now we have more speed.
Okay.
I think we weren't hitting the pressure limit on the last go.
Are there enough water?
Yeah, there's a lot of water still. Okay, now more speed. it's stuck.
Ah.
But the coffee was already really
Yeah,
good.
it was really good.
And now it's stuck. So there is definitely more water, but it's now packed better. Like, I think there's now 300 bars. Should we go with 600?
Let's try it.
So that was 24 tons. So we're going to put 50 tons. And I think the speed doesn't matter because it was stuck. I use only the smaller pump. It has the most precise pressure control. Because if you put all pumps on, it might go so fast that it overshoots the... Actually, it has already overshooted quite much. It's actually 40 tons now. So there is like 500 bars. So let's add like 75. 900 bars. We are really pushing the limits of the seals. And the water is going to compress multiple percents now. So this is like really extreme. Oh, I take with speed. Or have we run out of water? Let's open that and have a look.
Yeah.
And we are going to load it again for the next try.
Yeah.
It might... No, it can't be. There is water because the piston is so high. I think we are going to pop this open.
Yeah, let's check what happened.
Yeah, and let's taste this one more time. Nothing has come there. I would say that now this tastes like espresso. Like really, really strong. Probably has something to do with the fact that we had 4 cups of coffee and got like 30 milliliters.
Nice in here.
Like the leftover. Look, nothing, almost nothing.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Hey, yeah, that's why it got stuck.
Yeah, the paper is in the hole.
Yeah. I think we have to drill it out.
It's not going.
It's been pushed with 1000 bars there. It's pretty like tightly there. Yeah, but hey, we found why it got stuck. Now we are going to not add the paper under the steel, only on top of the steel.
Yeah.
Now when I think it was a clear mistake to put the paper here, but it was so like, it looks like it needs something, and it worked for like up to the like some pressure, and it didn't work anymore. But now we have steel, and then on top of the steel we are going to put these. Like this. Okay. And then we add the coffee. Yes. We can fit more. It's not done yet. I'm amazed that the humble O-ring was able to take all that pressure. And the bolts didn't snap.
Yeah.
I wasn't specifically worried about them being going to be snapped, but I feel such a snob when I'm like brushing my
coffee snob.
Yeah. Okay, everything is ready. Cameras are on. Coffee maker is at 70 degrees Celsius. So pretty reasonable. Water is boiling. And I try to add the water and then quickly the piston, and that stops it from leaking. Yeah, like that. Yeah, just couple drops. So we are definitely learning this game. Then I was a big brain and I shortened this so it now fits here nicely. Okay, what we should order? I think I ordered 1000 bars. That's roughly that. Then slow brew. We are not in a hurry.
Yeah.
It's been already 3 hours. We have drink like one not very optimal cup of coffee. So I'm not hurry at this point. So 1000 bars, slow brew. Do you wanna milk with that?
No.
I think we go with black.
We go with the black.
blackest coffee ever.
Yep.
I think this is going to be peak coffee. Then it's just downhill from here on for humanity as a whole.
Oh.
It's going in. It's slowly going in.
Yeah.
And the coffee, hey, it's working. There is more and more coffee.
Yeah.
And less seals. Holy shit! That's 1,000 bars and it's brewing. I think that's good amount.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, there was slightly air inside.
Yeah.
That's why it lifted, because the pressure has now released. And that's also marked that it's safe to go in when the piston comes up. There isn't any more pressure. I think this is peak coffee. Really nice foam.
Quite nice color.
Good smell.
Okay.
Hey, 1,000 bars. It actually worked. Even better.
Really?
Yeah. It's really soft and creamy.
Yeah.
It's
It's really good coffee.
Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with that.
No.
I'm not sure is it any better than 20 bar coffee? Mathematically, it should be 50 times better.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, after like probably 40 hours of research and fucking around and finding out, we have the 1,000 bar coffee. And there is just 2 people in the whole world that have drank 1,000 bar coffee, me and Hanna, and 8 billion unfortunate souls that haven't had this pleasure. Yeah, I would say that this is quite like, probably not scalable. I think the number of people that have tried this is going to stay at Tube for a really long time.
But I believe that Coffee Lauri will approve.
Can you even see like, that's how little of the stuff there is. Yeah, I think our work here is done. There isn't anything that we can improve on art of coffee making after this. So hope you liked this video. This was excellent series, and please let us know what we should do next with our magnificent 300-ton press. But that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.